and welcome to my podcast. Today I would like to talk about life in the African savanna and the amazing wildlife that lives there. The African savanna is one of the most famous ecosystems in the world, and it covers large areas of countries such as Kenya, Tanzania, Botswana, and South Africa. The savanna is home to many unique animals, including lions, elephants, giraffes, zebras, and cheetahs. The topic is important because the savanna supports an incredible diversity of life and plays a significant role in maintaining ecological balance. At the same time, many species living in this environment face serious threats from climate change, habitat loss, and human activities. Understanding the savanna helps us appreciate nature and recognize the importance of wildlife conservation. So the first, let us understand what the savanna is. The savanna is a grassland ecosystem characterized by scattered trees and warm climate throughout the year. It usually has two main seasons, a wet season and a dry season. Rainfall is sufficient to support grasses, but not enough to create dense forest. The savanna ecosystem contains a complex food web. Plants such as grasses and the shrubs serve as this serve because they create energy through photosynthesis. Herbivores, including zebras, antelopes, and the elephants, feed on these plants. Carnivores such as lions, leopards, and cheetahs prey on herbivores. This interaction helps maintain balance within the ecosystem. Also, one of the most iconic animals of the African savanna is the African elephant. It's the largest land animal on Earth. Elephants are known as ecosystem engineers because they influence their environment by knocking down trees, creating pathways, and helping seeds spread across large distances. Their activities contribute to biodiversity and support other species. However, wildlife in the savanna faces several challenges. One major threat is habitat destruction caused by agricultural expansion and the urban development. As human population grow, natural habitats become smaller and more fragmented. This limits the movement of animals and reduce access to food and water. The next, the climate change is another serious concern. Rising temperature and changing rainfall patterns can affect vegetation growth and water availability, and prolonged droughts may lead to food shortage and increase competition among species. And also, poaching remains a significant problem as well, because some animals, particularly elephants, are illegally hunted for ivory and horns. Despite international conservation efforts, illegal wildlife trade continues to threaten many populations. The African savanna is one of the most remarkable ecosystems on our planet, and it supports a rich variety of wildlife, including elephants, lions, giraffes, zebras, and many other species. The relationship among plants, herbivores, and the predators create a delicate ecological balance that's essential for the health of the ecosystem. Although the savanna faces challenges such as climate change, habitat loss, and the poaching, conservation efforts offer hope for the future. Protecting wildlife is not only important for biodiversity, but also for future generations who deserve the opportunity to experience these extraordinary animals. So, thank you for your listening and bye bye.